Hey there, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're talking about the best portable waist-mounted fan you should know about, and we're taking a closer look at the impressive Revor. If you need powerful cooling during hot days outdoors, this little device might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. The Revor portable waist-mounted fan is designed for people who spend time in hot environments and need reliable cooling wherever they go. Instead of holding a fan in your hand, this smart device clips to your waist and delivers a refreshing breeze directly to your body. It works almost like a personal mini air conditioner that moves with you, making it perfect for outdoor work, sports, and summer activities. One of the standout features of the Revor is its upgraded cooling performance. This fan is built with advanced airflow technology that pushes out a strong and icy breeze. Even during extreme heat, it creates a noticeable cooling effect around your body. That means less sweating, more comfort, and a better experience when you're working or enjoying outdoor events. Another great advantage is the hands-free design. Since the Revor attaches securely to your waist, you can keep both hands free while staying cool. Whether you are hiking, cycling, working on a construction site, or attending a crowded festival, the fan keeps air circulating without getting in your way. It simply runs quietly while you focus on what you are doing. Durability is another area where the Revor really shines. The outer shell is made from high-quality imported PC and silicone materials, giving it strong protection against drops and rough handling. The anti-fall structure means it can handle the bumps and movement that often come with outdoor use. The fan is also built to perform in challenging conditions. With a non-slip body along with waterproof and dust-proof protection, the Revor continues working even when the weather becomes unpredictable. Whether you are dealing with sweat, light rain, or dusty environments, this fan stays dependable and keeps the airflow going. In everyday life, this kind of portable cooling can make a big difference. Imagine working outside on a hot afternoon, walking through a crowded market, or exploring nature on a long hike. Instead of feeling exhausted from the heat, the Revor keeps a steady stream of air flowing across your body, helping you stay refreshed and comfortable. This product is especially great for outdoor workers, hikers, cyclists, sports fans, festival visitors, and anyone who struggles with intense summer heat. If you spend a lot of time outside, having a wearable cooling fan like this can truly change your experience. If you want a powerful cooling companion you can take anywhere, the Revor portable waist-mounted fan is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more cool tech like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.